The enchanting California poppy, Escolzia californicae. Greetings, fellow explorers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're learning about California poppy. This botanical wonder boasts a diverse array of applications. People use it for medicine, gardening, and even cooking. Let's explore together and learn about all the amazing ways California poppy is used, its cultural history, and the scientific discoveries surrounding it. If you're a newcomer, don't forget to express your appreciation by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, ensuring you won't miss out on our wealth of content exploring the healing wonders of the plant kingdom. The California poppy is a perennial plant native to the western United States and Mexico, and it's the official state flower of California. It belongs to the Papaveraceae family and is characterized by its bright orange, cup-shaped flowers and feathery blue-green foliage. The plant has been used for centuries by indigenous peoples for its medicinal properties, which we'll explore in more detail throughout this video. California poppy has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly among Native American tribes. Some of the most common applications include 1. Pain relief. California poppy was often used as a natural pain reliever for conditions such as toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain. 2. Sedative and sleep aid. The plant has been used as a mild sedative to help with anxiety, stress, and insomnia. 3. Antispasmodic. California poppy was also used to help alleviate muscle spasms and cramps. European settlers in North America soon adopted the use of the California poppy for similar purposes, and it became a popular herbal remedy in the 19th and 20th centuries. Today, California poppy is still used in herbal medicine, and research continues to explore its potential therapeutic properties. Some modern applications include 1. Anxiety and stress relief. Due to its calming effects, California poppy is often used as a natural remedy for anxiety and stress. 2. Sleep aid. The plant's sedative properties make it a popular choice for those struggling with insomnia or other sleep disturbances. 3. Pain management. California poppy is sometimes used as a natural alternative to conventional painkillers for mild to moderate pain. Beyond its medicinal uses, California poppy has played a significant role in various culture practices. For example, the indigenous peoples of California regarded the plant as a symbol of life and fertility, and they used its flowers in various rituals and ceremonies. In modern times, the California poppy has become a popular ornamental plant, celebrated for its vibrant, colorful blooms and its ability to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. In addition, the California poppy has been designated the official state flower of California since 1903, and each year on April 6, Californians celebrate California Poppy Day to honor the plant's beauty and cultural significance. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the potential therapeutic effects of California poppy. Researchers have been conducting studies to better understand its properties and potential benefits. While some studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to fully understand and validate its efficiency. For instance, a 2010 study found that a combination of California poppy, magnesium, and hawthorn might help reduce symptoms of mild to moderate anxiety. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and understand the plant's mechanism of action. While California poppy is generally considered safe when used appropriately, it's essential to remember that it may not be suitable for everyone. Some people may experience side effects like dizziness, drowsiness, or mild gastrointestinal upset. Additionally, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. As we wrap up our exploration of the California poppy, let's take a look at some interesting facts about this captivating plant. 1. California poppy flowers are known to close at night or on cloudy days, only opening when exposed to direct sunlight. 2. The plant's flowers can range in color from bright orange to yellow, red, and even pink, creating a stunning display in wildflower fields. 3. California poppy is considered an allelopathic plant, meaning that it releases chemicals into the soil that can inhibit the growth of other plants nearby. We've explored California poppy's diverse uses, cultural significance, and the ongoing scientific research surrounding this vibrant plant. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.